Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Expedia account step by step. First, sign in to your Expedia account on the website or app. Tap on your profile icon, then go to Account. Scroll down and select Security and Settings. Keep scrolling until you see the option to delete account. Then click it. Choose your reason for leaving and click Submit. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm and your account will be deleted. And that's it. Your Expedia account is now closed. And that's how to delete Expedia account. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.